Today, we're comparing soy milk and almond milk head-to-head to determine which is better for fatty liver. Not plant milk industry marketing. Not assumptions about dairy alternatives. Specific advantages for reducing liver fat, lowering liver enzymes, and reversing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The outcomes that actually matter for liver health. Two popular dairy alternatives consumed by millions seeking healthier beverage options. But which plant milk actually delivers better results for fatty liver disease? Right now, the score stands 0-0. But by the end of this video, you'll know the final score and the truth. This is the health verdict, where nature gets tested. Round 1. Protein content and liver repair. Soy milk provides 7 to 9 grams of protein per cup, comparable to cow's milk. This protein is complete, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for tissue repair and enzyme production. Adequate protein intake is critical for fatty liver disease because protein supports liver cell regeneration and helps transport fat out of liver cells. The protein in soy milk contains specific amino acids, particularly branched-chain amino acids abbreviated as BCAAs, that improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Studies show higher protein intake helps reverse fatty liver disease by supporting the liver's ability to package and export fat rather than storing it. Almond milk contains minimal protein, only 1 gram per cup in most commercial varieties. This extremely low protein content means almond milk contributes virtually nothing to your daily protein needs. For people with fatty liver disease who need adequate protein to support liver repair and fat mobilization, almond milk offers no advantage. The lack of protein means almond milk provides calories, primarily from added oils and thickeners, without the amino acids necessary for liver cell regeneration. While low protein isn't harmful, it's a missed opportunity when soy milk provides substantial protein that actively supports liver health. Soy milk's substantial protein content providing essential amino acids for liver repair and fat export gives it a decisive advantage over almond milk's negligible protein. The winner of round 1 is soy milk. Current score: soy milk 1, almond milk 0. Round 2. Calorie and sugar content. Soy milk contains approximately 80 to 110 calories per cup, depending on whether it's original or unsweetened. Unsweetened soy milk provides approximately 80 calories with 0 added sugars, only the 4 grams of naturally occurring sugars from soybeans. Sweetened varieties contain added sugars, typically 7 to 12 grams per cup, that provide empty calories without nutritional benefit. The calorie content of unsweetened soy milk is moderate and comes packaged with protein, making it more satiating than pure sugar calories. For people with fatty liver disease who often need to lose weight, the calories in unsweetened soy milk are reasonable and justified by the protein content. Almond milk contains significantly fewer calories, only 30 to 50 calories per cup for unsweetened varieties. This low-calorie content makes almond milk attractive for weight loss, which is beneficial since losing even 5 to 10% of body weight dramatically improves fatty liver disease. Unsweetened almond milk contains 0 to 1 gram of sugar, making it essentially a water-based beverage with almond flavoring, added vitamins, and thickeners. The low calorie load means almond milk can replace higher calorie beverages without contributing significantly to daily calorie intake. For people struggling to create the calorie deficit necessary to lose weight and reverse fatty liver, almond milk's minimal calories provide a clear advantage. Almond milk's substantially lower calorie content, 30 to 50 calories versus 80 to 110, supporting weight loss, which is critical for fatty liver reversal, gives it the advantage. Almond milk takes round 2. Current score: tied 1-1. Round 3. Isoflavones and liver protection. Soy milk contains isoflavones, plant compounds with estrogen-like effects, at approximately 20 to 30 milligrams per cup. These isoflavones, particularly genistein and daidzein, have powerful hepatoprotective properties, meaning they protect your liver. Research demonstrates that soy isoflavones reduce liver fat accumulation by improving how your liver metabolizes fats. Studies show isoflavones decrease inflammation in liver tissue, reduce oxidative stress, cellular damage from harmful molecules, and improve insulin sensitivity, which directly impacts fatty liver disease. Clinical trials in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease show soy protein and isoflavones reduce liver enzymes. markers of liver inflammation, and decrease liver fat content measured by imaging. The isoflavones work through multiple mechanisms, including activating genes that promote fat breakdown and inhibiting genes that promote fat storage in liver cells. Almond milk contains no isoflavones and lacks any unique phytonutrients, plant compounds, with specific liver protective properties. While almonds themselves contain vitamin E and other antioxidants, commercial almond milk is highly diluted, typically only 2 to 4% actual almonds, meaning the concentration of beneficial compounds is minimal. Most commercial almond milk is essentially water, thickeners like gel and gum or carrageenan, added vitamins, and flavoring. The absence of bioactive compounds means almond milk provides no active liver protection beyond the benefit of replacing worse beverages. It's neutral at best, not harmful, but not actively beneficial for liver health. Soy milk's unique isoflavone content, providing direct, clinically demonstrated liver fat reduction and anti-inflammatory effects, gives it a substantial advantage over almond milk's absence of liver protective compounds. Soy milk wins this round. Current score: soy milk 2, almond milk 1. Round 4. Scientific evidence for fatty liver. Soy milk and soy protein have extensive research specifically examining effects on fatty liver disease. Multiple randomized controlled trials, the gold standard of medical research, demonstrate that consuming soy protein or soy milk reduces liver fat, decreases liver enzyme levels, and improves metabolic markers in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Studies show 20 to 30 grams of soy protein daily, approximately 2 to 3 cups of soy milk, reduces liver fat by 15 to 25% over 12 weeks. Research demonstrates soy consumption improves insulin resistance, reduces triglycerides, blood fats that contribute to liver fat, and decreases inflammation markers. The evidence base is robust with consistent findings across multiple populations and study designs. Medical professionals recognize soy as a beneficial dietary component for fatty liver management. Almond milk has virtually no research specifically examining its effects on fatty liver disease. The few studies that exist don't show almond milk directly improving liver health markers. Almonds themselves have some research supporting cardiovascular and metabolic benefits, but commercial almond milk is too diluted to provide meaningful amounts of the beneficial compounds found in whole almonds. The primary benefit of almond milk for fatty liver disease is indirect. It's a low-calorie beverage that can replace higher-calorie options, supporting the weight loss necessary for fatty liver reversal. There's no evidence that almond milk provides specific liver protective benefits beyond its role as a low-calorie liquid. Soy milk's extensive, high-quality research specifically demonstrating fatty liver disease improvement gives it a decisive advantage over almond milk's absent evidence base for direct liver benefits. The winner of round 4 is soy milk. Current score: soy milk 3, almond milk 1. Soy milk requires consideration of individual tolerance and preferences. Some people experience digestive discomfort from soy, bloating or gas, though this is relatively uncommon. Concerns about soy's estrogen-like effects are largely unfounded. Multiple studies show soy consumption at normal dietary levels doesn't cause hormonal imbalances in men or women. Choosing organic soy milk avoids genetically modified soybeans if that's a concern. Soy milk works well in coffee, cereal, smoothies, and cooking. The taste is slightly beany, which some people dislike. Unsweetened soy milk should always be chosen to avoid added sugars that worsen fatty liver disease. Soy milk provides approximately 8 grams of protein per dollar spent, making it cost-effective. Almond milk is extremely versatile with mild flavor that works in virtually any application. It froths well for coffee, works in smoothies, and has neutral taste that doesn't overpower other flavors. Almond milk is widely available, including in most coffee shops and restaurants. The primary drawback is the extreme dilution. Most almond milk contains only 2% almonds, meaning you're paying for water, thickeners, and packaging rather than nutritional value. Environmental concerns exist because almond farming requires substantial water. One almond requires approximately 1 gallon of water to grow, making almond milk less sustainable than soy milk. Almond milk must be fortified with calcium and vitamins since it naturally contains minimal nutrients. Both options are practical, but almond milk's versatility, neutral taste, and wide availability make it easier to incorporate consistently, which matters for long-term dietary changes necessary for fatty liver reversal. Almond milk wins the final round. Current score: soy milk 3, almond milk 2. Final verdict: the final score is 3-2. Soy milk wins narrowly for fatty liver disease. Almond milk provides the benefit of very low calories, 30 to 50 per cup, which supports the weight loss critical for reversing fatty liver disease. The neutral taste and versatility make it easy to incorporate as a beverage replacement for higher calorie options. For people who need to create a calorie deficit, almond milk serves as a useful low-calorie liquid. However, almond milk is essentially flavored water with minimal nutritional value and no compounds that actively improve liver health. Soy milk is specifically beneficial for fatty liver disease through multiple mechanisms. The 7 to 9 grams of protein per cup supports liver repair and helps mobilize fat from liver cells. The isoflavones, 20 to 30 milligrams per cup, directly reduce liver fat accumulation, decrease inflammation, and improve metabolic function. Clinical studies demonstrate measurable improvements in liver fat and liver enzymes with regular soy consumption. The evidence base for soy's liver benefits is extensive and consistent. Here's the optimal strategy. Prioritize unsweetened soy milk at 2 to 3 cups daily for maximum liver benefit. This provides approximately 15 to 25 grams of protein and 40 to 90 milligrams of isoflavones, the amounts shown effective in research. Choose organic if avoiding genetically modified organisms is important to you. Never choose sweetened varieties. The added sugar undermines liver health benefits. If you strongly dislike soy milk's taste, use unsweetened almond milk as a beverage base, but ensure you're getting adequate protein from other sources. Aim for 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. You need protein from somewhere to support liver repair, even if not from plant milk. You can also combine strategies. Use soy milk in morning smoothies where the taste blends well, and almond milk in coffee where you prefer the neutral flavor. The key is consistency and choosing unsweetened versions always. Soy milk is your fatty liver improvement beverage. Direct liver benefits with strong research support. Almond milk is your weight loss support beverage. Minimal calories to support the calorie deficit needed. For direct liver health improvement, soy milk wins. This is the health verdict, where nature gets tested. Stay curious. Stay healthy.